What?
Say good morning, I love you.
Well, that's kind of forcing things, don't you think? We live in a democracy, don't we?
No.
Yeah.
We live in Lorrie's world.
I get up every morning and that's what I hear. You must love me.
Or else.
Or else.
Or else. You'll pay the ultimate price.
You end up in one of the planters.
I have corn that's ready to eat. So we are going to pick some and have it with some dinner tonight, which is going to be pork, smoked pork sandwiches and baked potatoes. So let's get to it. Look at some of these. Look at this. So I pulled this one open the other day. And I poked yesterday, actually. And they say if you can poke one of these and this milky juice squirts out, then it's ready. And, that is good. So then you just gotta pull it down and twist it off. And look at that giant piece that's on there. Anyway, I'm gonna pick me some corn and we're gonna have it for dinner. This is what I picked for today. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little cobs there. Some of them are pretty big. Yeah, some of them had some bugs in them, so I had to strip them down to next to nothing, and I'm gonna go in and soak them, but I'm keeping the silk. I don't remember why, but I'm keeping the silk.